Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to highlight the current row and use conditional formatting at the same time. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's start. So we have a table with conditional formatting and we still need to add a highlight of the current row. We highlight the area of the table in which our rule will be used and then do everything step by step. I have a more detailed video on how to highlight the current row on my channel, and the link will be in the description. So the row highlighting works, but at the same time it replaces all the conditional formatting rules configured earlier. But we need the colors and icons of conditional formatting to remain in place and perform their function even when highlighting a row. Go to the conditional formatting menu, select Manage Rules. In the menu that opens, we see that the highlighting rule is at the top of the list, so it's executed first. Let's send it down the list using these arrows. Click Apply and then OK. And as we can see, the highlighting rule still works, but icons and conditional formatting colors also work. And now let's adjust the highlighting rule a bit. Conditional formatting, then Manage Rules, select our rule and click Edit Rule, then Format. You can add, for example, red borders or a fill style. Here you are free to choose what suits you. And at the end I'll show you how to save an Excel file so that the entered macro works constantly. Select File, Save As, Browse, and here in the Save As type line, select Excel macro enabled workbook and click Save. And now the highlighting rule will always work in our Excel file. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.